Here I have Dongfeng Box. Let me show you how to check out the 3D view of your camera. So all you need to do is use the apps icon right here and select here the AVM. As you can see, this is like the standard 2D view, but you can change it for the 3D view. Let's just tap it. And as you can see, this is 3D view. You can simply tap anywhere and, for example, change the camera view. As you can see, you can check out how your car looks and how your surrounding looks on the following camera. So it could be really useful. You can also tap here for the following settings. You can change the body color section. It could be, for example, yellow. You can use the transparent chases if you would like to. You can turn signal to switch linkage. You can also enable or disable the wheel steering linkage, the auxiliary line display, and obstacle display, distance display. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.